Didn't the magistrate here know he was hiring an arch criminal as his marshal?
He was counting on it. Guess my tough guy reputation kept things nice and quiet around here. All the time I wore that badge, I never had to shoot anybody.
Well, where's the fun in that?
Thanks for staying with us. Let's go now to Kate Lockwell with an update on Jim Raynor's violent uprising.
Thanks, Donnie. Raynor's clearly widening his list of targets. He's attacked a Dominion archaeological dig and possibly seized a dangerous alien artifact.
Emperor Mengsk spoke on this subject earlier today.
There's no telling what kind of havoc these supposedly innocuous relics might wreak upon our worlds. Anyone found in possession of these items will be dealt with to the fullest extent of the law.
Look on the bright side, partner. You're a wanted man either way.
Thanks, Tychus.
Shocking, Kate. I imagine civilian casualties were high as a result of Raynor's terrorist actions.
Actually, the only civilian deaths appear to be collateral damage from overzealous Dominion security forces.
Thanks, Kate. You heard it here first. Jim Raynor, killing women and children on Marsara.
What was it like, Jimmy? Fighting them Zerg?
All the scrapes we were in back in the day, all the narrow escapes, none of it compares to how terrible they are, Tychus. You don't know what real fear is until you got 1,000 of these sons of bitches barreling down on you. So who's your mysterious buyer, Tychus? Who are we supposed to hand this artifact over to?
A bunch of eggheads I ran into called the Mobius Foundation.
Mobius? They're a legitimate research group. Why the hell are they talking to you?
Soon as your boy Minsk made it illegal to trade in alien goods, they got desperate. And you know me, Jimmy. I am a great patron of the sciences. What's this? I heard them Zerg got burned out by them creepy Protoss a few years back.
It's been 4 years and they're still finding burrowed dens out in the wastelands.
Well, a trophy like that's gotta fetch a good price on the black market. Up for some hunting, partner?
Knock yourself out, Tychus. Me? I've hunted enough Zerg for 2 lifetimes.
Have to say, Jimmy, you turned into a real impressive fighter. If I was old Minsk, I'd be running scared for me too.
You really mean that, Tychus?
Nah, I was just kidding.
With the artifact secure, you need to wait for transport at Backwater Station before you can leave Marsara. Transportation is on the way. Caution is advised. Dominion security forces may succeed in tracking the artifact to the station.
I've got transport coming to pick us up. All we gotta do is sit tight.
Don't sound too hard. I figure we earned ourselves a little R&R.
Commander, I'm detecting a massive concentration of Zerg biosignatures landing at the abandoned dig site.
I should have known it. Damn you, Tychus.
I swear, man, I didn't know nothing about no Zerg.
Given their current course, the Zerg will overrun this location within the hour.
Hell, we gotta hold out long enough for extraction. If we man the bunkers and hold those 2 bridges as long as we can, we just might stand a chance. We're gonna have a real fight on our hands here.
I've been in plenty of holdouts before.
Not against the Zerg, you ain't. Go ahead.
SCV ready. In the rear with the gear.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready. Armed and ready. SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
SCV ready. What's going on? SCV ready.
Here they come! Lock and load!
Huh? Bad news?
Get some SCVs repairing those bunkers.
Awesome. SCV ready. Move it.
To anyone hearing this message, we're pinned down near Backwater Station. Please assist.
Sure thing. I'm on it.
Keep your shirt on, Sparky.
The doctor is in.
Thought we were gunners there.
The doctor is in.
Go ahead. Yes, sir. What's going on?
Base is under attack.
Multiple air bogeys detected. ETA, right the hell now.
In the rear
Not
with the
enough
gear.
minerals. Base is under attack.
We hear you. Overtime. Go, go, go. Who wants some? Bad news? Sure thing. Will do. Armed and ready. going on?
Mayday, mayday! We're trapped by the Zerg! They're burrowed all around us! If you can reach us, please help!
In the rear with the gear. Yes, sir.
You gonna give me orders? Of course. Man, are you a sight for sore eyes? Hold up, we're coming with you.
Base is under attack.
This better be good.
Huh? SCV ready. Gotcha. What's going on? I'm going.
Want a piece of me, boy?
You're the boss.
Gangway, coming through.
Upgrade complete.
You want a piece of me, boy? This better be good.
Bad news?
Armed and ready. Who wants some? Gangway, coming through.
Go ahead. I'm going.
Go, go, go!
Huh?
The doctor is in.
Ready. By the number.
Base is under attack.
Where does it hurt?
Ah! You scared me!
The doctor is in.
Yes, sir.
Need some triage?
Who want? This better be good.
Keep at it, boys. The ride's on its way.
around us! Is anyone out there?
Sure. Want a piece of me, boy?
Thanks for the assist. We're with you, Rainer.
Yes, sir. This better be good. Been waiting on you. Huh? Ah! You scared me! Sure thing. Butter by a biscuit. Armed and ready.
Base is under attack.
Ooh, sounds serious. The doctor is in.
This better be good. Armed and ready. By the numbers, boys. That. SCV ready. Yeah, bad news. Big job.
The doctor is in.
You want a piece of me, boy? Ah! You scared me! SCV, I can't build here. It's your dime.
Hold out just a little longer. We'll be getting out of here soon.
SCV ready. What's going on? Who wants some? You can buy the numbers, boys. Roger that. I'm on it.
Where does it hurt? The doctor is in.
Base is under attack.
Yo. Yep. I'm going. Woohoo! Overtime. Bad news.
Is under attack.
Commander, this is Matt Horner. Just hold on. Cavalry's on the way.
Take your time, Matt. No rush.
Vespine Geyser exhausted.
Big job, huh?
Base is under attack.
Cavalry's arrived. Anyone still alive down there?
Good to see you, Matt. Welcome to the party.
Glad we made it in time, sir. Now let's get you boys out of there.